Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick part 2 video to my coilover install. I'm going to be getting rid of this PASM failure light that I've had. As soon as you clear it, you're left looking at this exclamation point for the rest of your drive. Not the end of the world, but it's a little annoying to look at. So today I'm going to be taking care of that. What I'm going to be using is a Foxwell tool. Found out through a very helpful member on Renlist that this can actually do the coding. In the past couple days, I've left this car on the battery tender just to make sure the battery is fully charged. I'm gonna leave it on there when I do the actual coding, but it should go fairly easily. Most likely, I'm gonna have to unplug the PASM box in the passenger foot wheel, but I'm gonna try it without first. So with that said, let's get started and see if this will work. Okay, first step is going to be to get the tool plugged in, which I've already done. It doesn't have batteries or anything of that nature. It runs off the power of the OBD2 port. So once I plugged it in, this is the menu that comes up. What we'll do is we'll put the key to the forward position. You can see it's trying to measure my oil. At this point, what we'll do is we'll go over to the Porsche setting. Select enter. I'm going to use the smart VIN. This will automatically pull the VIN number and everything related to the car. Takes just a moment. It's not the fastest tool, but overall it's very nice for a DIY person. So we'll click OK. We're going to go down to programming. Okay, now we've got the various functions we can pick from. I believe what I want is the gateway control system, coding adaptations, required control unit list. You can see that there's plenty to pick from here, but we're going to scroll down until we find the PASM. There we are. Click enter. Oh, sorry, I'm actually supposed to hit edit there. So as you can see, it's showing not installed. So I'm going to confirm that. Click OK. Now it looks like we are good to go, so I will back out. Now I'm going to turn the key off. Okay, looks like that did not do it. So I believe the next step is going to be to actually unplug the module as per the directions. It was a nice try to save a little work, but it looks like we're going to have to get on the passenger side. Okay, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to film this, but we're trying to get this plug out. So what I'm going to do is pull that out of there and try again on the coding and see what happens. Was able to unhook the PASM box, so now all I need to do is unplug it. tuck the wiring back in. Slide it under the carpet here so we don't have any rattles. If we do hear any, we know where to come looking for them. And I'll just put the box with the other suspension pieces for later. Pretty lightweight unit. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. Looks like that's it. Previously, this exclamation point right here was lit up, and plus you would get the PASM failure notification as soon as the car moved. So now we should be able to use sport mode, and I would say our coilovers are 100% installed with no error lights or problems at all. Alright, well, I'm back in the garage now. Have to say that was a pretty easy fix for the coilover slide annoyance of the light coming on every time I drove it. Now sport mode will work again, which is also very nice, as I missed that before. All thanks to this tool. For the price I paid for it, I have absolutely no complaints. It was likely less expensive than going to the Porsche dealer to have them coded out. Plus, it can do a lot more. For example, I can clear codes. I can obviously add or remove equipment. I can diagnose pretty much anything I want to with this tool. Not bad for the price of admission, and if you don't have one, I highly recommend picking one up. Well, that's going to be it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, definitely please subscribe, as I'll be uploading more to do with this car as well as others. Thank you so much.